Yeah, hello friends, this is Sunil Pawar here and I'm back with one more video. In this video we will see demo call for tomorrow. Tomorrow it is 11th June and it is a weekly expiry for Nifty and Bank Nifty. Every weekly expiry, almost every weekly expiry I'm giving calls, and these calls are doing fantastically well. Last expiry call also, capital almost tripled in single day that we have seen. So what would be the trend for tomorrow, how the market will move, and what should be the call? So that is I am discussing in this video. So tomorrow is 11th June. It is weekly expiry for Nifty and Bank Nifty. So this call I have given to my paid clients. So what is the call? Call is Nifty call. Nifty call 10,100. If crosses 103.30, then target is 131.28. Stop loss is 75.32. Nifty put 10,100. If breaks above 56.98, that is 57 precisely. Target is 85 and stop loss is 29. Bank Nifty called 21,100. If breaks 352.19, target 424.67, stop loss 279.70. Bank Nifty put 21,100. If crosses 251.30, then target is 323.79, stop loss is 178.81. I'm giving you this call, but this call is subject to the disclaimer that is available on www.equityfact.com. That is the official website of my company. So you can check disclaimer there. And this is my contact number. This is my contact number. This type of calls I am giving to my paid clients every day. This is the demo on expiry day, but such calls are given to my paid clients every day. So if you want to join those services, then you can contact me on this number. To trade Nifty, only Nifty or only Bank Nifty, capital required is 35,000. To trade both Nifty and Bank Nifty, capital required is 50 to 60,000. So you can contact me on this number to discuss further. Now, these calls are given to the clients every day on website. These calls are given one day before. So today it is the 10th of June and I am giving these calls today around 8 p.m. for tomorrow. So these calls are pre-market calls. These calls are given one day before at 8 p.m. every day. So client can see 9 p.m., 10 p.m., 11 p.m. anytime whenever he is free. And tomorrow after market opening, after market opened at 9:15, you can check call price and put price of Nifty and Bank Nifty of given strikes. If call is crossing the entry price, then buy call. If put is crossing the entry price, then buy put. Here we are not buying both. Here we are not buying call and put both. We are buying either call or put, whichever is crossing the entry price. So what are the rules to trade these calls are already given to the clients. This is the set of the rules. These rules have been designed almost years back, and these rules have not been changed. The rules are same. If you go to my channel, YouTube channel, and if you see all the videos, these rules are discussed in almost every video. So what are the rules? First rule is entry in trade only when call or put crosses its entry price. Means tomorrow after 9:15, if call crosses the entry price, then you buy call. If put crosses the entry price, then buy put. Whichever option is crossing the entry price, that one you will buy. For Nifty and for Bank Nifty, rules are same. If option opens with gap up, then wait for the given buy level and enter at the level only. It means tomorrow, if for example this call opens above 103, Nifty call 10,100. If let us say opens at 110, that is 110, entry price is 103. If it opens at 1110, then you wait for 103 to come and you buy at the given price only. Do not buy at 1110, because in that case your stop loss will be very long and target would be very small. Double the quantity of second trade when stop loss hit. It means If tomorrow, for example, you entered into call activated, call crossed the entry price, you entered into call, it did not give you target, it hit the stop loss. For example, you entered into call and call hits the stop loss. Then what next? Next is, you first of all, when stop loss is hit, you just exit the trade. For example, we are assuming here that tomorrow call activated and you entered into call. This is assumption. And you entered into call and that call hits the stop loss. Then what you will do? You will first of all exit the trade. The first step is either you enter into call or in put. Whenever stop loss is hit, you exit the trade. Number one. Number two, after you exited the trade from call, then wait for put to activate, then wait for put to cross 56.98, then wait for put to activate. If put activates, you buy double quantity of put. Means if you have bought 2 lots of call, then you buy 4 lots of put. You buy double quantity of put if put crosses the entry price. But if call again crosses the entry price, means you entered into call first time, it hit the stop loss, but again next time put did not activate and call again activated. In that case, you buy the same call at the same price with double quantity. So this is the rule. If target is hit within 2 hours, then hold the trade till 3:20 PM with stop loss on cost. For example, Nifty call 10,100. Here again, I am assuming that, for example, you entered into call. After you entering into call or put, whatever option, if target is hit within 2 hours, if target is hit within 2 hours from the time of activation, for example, tomorrow this call, Nifty call 10,100, it crossed 103.30 entry price at 9:30 AM. So if the target 131.28, if this target is hit before 11:30 PM AM, before 11:30 AM, means within 2 hours, if target is hit, then you just trail your stop loss on cost. Your original stop loss was this. If target is hit within 2 hours, then you just put your stop loss on cost and carry the trade till 3:20 PM. This is for Bank Nifty, this is for call, this is for put, this is for all. If target is not hit and stop loss is also not hit, then carry for 1 or 2 days. This rule is not applied for expiry, because on expiry day you cannot carry. But yes, for other days this rule is there. If target is not hit, stop loss is not hit, then you can carry the trade for 1 more day. If stop loss is hit on both sides, then avoid trading for the day and next day take first trade with 3 lots. So this rule is also again not for expiry, because on expiry day we cannot do this. This rule is for general days, and general days means, for example, this has happened with Bank Nifty yesterday. Yesterday first Bank Nifty put activated, then it hit the stop loss, then call activated. Call missed target by only 20 points. In Bank Nifty, it has given 100 points. Target was 120 points plus from the entry price. So it missed the target by very small margin, and it again call also hit the stop loss. Today Bank Nifty call activated 3 lots and it has given target decent, fantastic target. So this rule was applied, and today in Bank Nifty all the loss of yesterday was recovered and profit was made. Now rule number 7, if pre-market calls in Nifty Express open above target, then avoid and follow live market calls in fact signals. So these are the calls which are the pre-market calls. These calls are pre-market calls, means these calls are given 1 day before. It means these calls if tomorrow at the opening of the market, if these calls open above the target, for example call or put, if market opens with a big gap up or gap down, then call will open, either call will open above the target or put will open above the target, depending on market is opening with a big gap up or gap down. So in that case, if these calls are opening above the target, then avoid these calls, then do not look at these calls. I will give fresh calls at 10 AM live. So those calls, new calls, fresh calls will be the live market calls at 10 AM. So these 10 AM calls are every day given to the clients. So with these calls, if somebody is thinking ki if tomorrow market opens with gap up or gap down, then we will not be able to trade these calls, or these levels may be gone. So that is not the problem. If levels are gone, no worries, you just skip these calls and new calls will be given at 10 AM. So tomorrow if you find these calls have missed the entry prices and they have hit the target in opening itself, on my Telegram channel, on my Facebook page, on my Facebook account, and if possible on YouTube also, I will give fresh call at 10 AM. But those fresh call 10 AM calls will be given only if these options open above the target, otherwise not. Otherwise you just have to trade these calls only. There are trading rules for expiry, special trading rules for expiry. Tomorrow it is expiry, so we have to see these rules. Trade with 2 lots, this is first rule. Second, exit 1 lot on target, carry other lot till 3:20 PM, and double the quantity of opposite option when stop loss is hit. So these 3 rules are there for expiry. So friends, let us see what happens tomorrow in these calls, and share these channels with maximum all of your friends, because this is India's only channel that is giving such type of jackpot demo calls. In this lockdown period, I have given almost 2.5 lakh, more than 2.5 lakh profit to my followers. So this is India's only channel which is giving jackpot calls, which is giving calls every week. So share this channel with all of your friends so that they can take benefit. Thanks friends.